In this video, I'm going to solve 4 questions about calculating area of parts of circles. Let's begin. Find the area of the shape. Either enter an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. Okay, so we see here an area of a quarter of a circle, and the radius is 8, r equals 8, and we know that the entire area of the circle is 2 pi r squared, which means that the entire area of the circle is 2 pi 8 squared, because I plug in 8 instead of r. So the entire area of the circle is, is 2 pi times 64. So 8 squared is 64. So the area of the entire circle is 2 times 64 is 128 pi. Now I need to divide both sides of this equation by 4 to get the area of a quarter of a circle. So quarter of the circle is 128 pi divided by 4, and if we just divide 128 by 4, so 120 divided by 4 is 30, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 128 divided by 4 is 22 pi. So this is the answer, 32 pi units squared. Why is it not the answer? Okay, so the problem is not here. Okay, so I mixed up the formula for circumference and area. So circumference is 2 pi r and area is pi r squared. Okay, so this is wrong and all the calculations beneath it is wrong. Okay, so area is pi r squared, so area is pi, r is 8 squared, so the entire area of the circle is 64 pi, and quarter of this is 64 pi divided by 4, so 64 divided by 4, 60 divided by 4 is 15, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so this is 16 pi. So the correct answer is 16 pi. Find the area of the semicircle. Enter either an exact answer in terms of pi or use 3.14 for pi and enter your answer as a decimal. Okay, so the entire area is pi r squared, which means the entire area is pi 14 squared, because I've plugged in the radius, which is 14 instead of r. So the entire area of the circle is pi times 14 squared. This is 16, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is 14, so 6, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 126 pi is the entire area of the circle, and we need a semicircle, so we need to divide the area by 2. So 196 pi divided by 2 is, this becomes 1, and 196. 180 divided by 2 is 90, and 16 divided by 2 is 8, so this is 98. So half the area of the circle is 98 pi. Verify 98 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1 is 196. So the answer is that 98 pi is the area of the semicircle. 98 pi units squared. Wow. Wow. Two mistakes in a row. What is happening? Okay. So this is the length of the diameter and not of the radius. And I have mistaken the 14 to be the length of the diameter. But it's actually the length of... I have mistaken it to be the length of the radius, but it is actually the length of the diameter. Okay, so let me copy again this. So the radius is half the diameter. So if the diameter is 14, the radius is half the diameter, which means that the radius is 7. And since the entire area of this circle is pi r squared, it means that the entire area is pi 7 squared. So the entire area is pi times 49 or 49 pi. So half the area is half of this. So half the area, 49 divided by 2 is 24.5, 24.5 pi. Find the area of the semicircle. So again, here we have the length of the diameter, and the radius is half the diameter. So the radius is 3, and the entire area of the circle is pi r squared, which means that the entire area of the circle is pi 3 squared. So the entire area is 9 pi. And we need a semicircle. We need to divide this by 2. So the area of the semicircle is 4.5 pi units squared. And we need to find the area of the semicircle. So here we are given the radius. So we don't need to calculate the length of the radius. The radius is 2. And the entire area of the circle is pi r squared, which means that the entire area is pi 2 squared. So the entire area is 4 pi. And semicircle, we need to divide the entire area of the circle by 2 to get the area of the semicircle. So 4 pi divided by 2 is 2 pi. So the answer is 2 pi units squared. Good. Okay, so since I had 2 mistakes in this practice, I will do it again in the next video. So I will see you in the next video.